Hey, what's up guys? And yes, for today's video, we're gonna be making a snowman, like not just like the snowman on the paper that you draw, like an actual snowman that stands up. Okay, so let's move on with the video. For this craft, we'll be needing scissors, 2 pieces of paper, markers, and that's it. Those are the things we'll be needing for this craft. Let's begin with step 1. So first, take your 1 piece of paper, not 2. And also, I forgot to say, we also needed a glue stick. So first, and take your glue stick, and then take your paper, and on these bits, like on the short side, like these top bits, put glue on them, just from a row, and then glue those that other bit together on it to make a cylinder. See, like this. Okay, so step 2, take your other piece of paper and your cylinder, and then cut it, and then also take your scissors and cut some arms out, whatever shape you like. Okay, step 2, take your arms and then color them, and then take your brown marker and color them. Step 3, take your glue stick or your glue and your 2 arms, and then put some glue, and then bend the arms from just a little, from like you see here, just bend it a little bit from here, and then take your glue and put glue there. Take your cylinder and put the glue on, and put the gluey bit here. See, now you have 2 arms on. It's okay if you put them on wrong, because the rest, when you put the face on, it's gonna look much better. So let's move on to step 4. Yeah. Take your orange marker and your snowman and draw a carrot nose on it. See, like, just put a carrot nose on the brown bit with your orange marker. So on to step 5. Step 5, take your black and make 2 little eyes on your snow. So just make these 2 eyes. And on to step 6. Yay! Okay, step 6. Take your black and make little dots into a smile, right? Just make a smile like this one. It looks like a snowman already, huh? Now we're doing the fun bit almost. On to step 7. Yeah, good. Step 7, take your black and make 3 little buttons. You can use red too. Step 8, take your snowman and put that aside, and take your other piece of paper and then you can cut out some things that you want to put on it. I'm going to cut out gloves and stuff, like a hat too. Okay, step 9. Take your paper full of things to put on him and cut them all out. And cut them out. Okay, step 10. Put all of your things on the snowman, like the hat and stuff if you made. So we have finished our craft. Look at it now. So this has been a very nice craft we've done with you. So I'll see you all on another Samreen's Activities. Bye!